Hi everyone, my name is Vilma and in this video I will talk about how to use some of the tools of Microsoft Teams. Once you have created your team, in my case, the team I created is Group C. You have these options to manage the team, to add a channel, add members, leave the team, edit the team, get a link to the team, and manage tags. You can also have this one that's delete the team. You also have these options here that says posts, which basically summarizes everything you do in the team. Files, where you can upload materials, for example. So if I had students in my group C, I would have to create some materials for them, and I could share all the materials by, for example, creating a folder like this. You can also include class notes for the members of your team. Another thing you can do is assign homework by using the option that says assignments. So when you click there, you can see that now it's empty because I have not done anything. But if I wanted to create an assignment, I would just click on create. Once you have your students working and doing things in this group, you could see, for example, their grades. Again, as I don't have anything here, everything is empty. And finally, we have this plus button. When you click it, you have the opportunity to choose from different options or different apps that you can include in your Microsoft team. I have already included PowerPoint and Quizlet, but as you can see, there are many other alternatives you can use. So there are many things we can include and try to explore and see how they work. Okay, so these are the main features of your team. Now, something else you can do is like choose, for example, a picture to like identify your team. I will not choose any one of them. I will just leave it the way it is now. When I go to posts also, I can see that I get this option to start a meeting. So if I click there, meet now, a new window opens, and then I can start the meeting. I can disable the camera if I don't want to show up there, and then start the meeting. When I start a meeting in Microsoft Teams, I can use some tools also. The most common one is this one that says share. So when I click there, I can share my screen share, or I can choose any of the PowerPoint presentations I have. I can also share the whiteboard. Okay. And this one I have not used it, so I don't know what it is for. When you use this, you can also have the option to start recording the meeting. So you click there for recording the meeting. Your participants can raise their hands by using this hand. They can participate in chats. As you can see, when I click here, they can participate in a chat. And I can also show the list of participants. As I'm only showing this as an example, nobody else is there, so I'm the only participant there. And finally, when the meeting has finished, we can just click on this icon that says hang up, and the meeting will be over. Okay, so as you can see, we return to the main page where our teams are. And as you can see, I only have 2 teams. This one is created, and this other one is someone's teams from my job. So basically that's it.